This program is being brought to you by this guy. Try.
Tomorrow you will be met with the judges. One of you will be eliminated.
Whoa!
Di ka ba
Hindi ka na'y nagsasawa sa ating mga tampuhan. Wala hanggang katapusan.
This program is being brought to you by Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut Big Shots.
Welcome to the judging room. This is the second elimination towards finding Philippines' next top model. Among the prizes that await you, first we have 150,000 pesos worth of modeling jobs from Saga Events, an editorial spread in Preview magazine, a one-year body contouring program with Mary France, a one-year skin rejuvenation program from Facial Care Center, a big cash prize, an endorsement deal with L'Oreal Paris, natural colored golden South Sea pearls from Jewelmer and the Jewelmer's Pearl Ambassador to the world, and an international modeling contract. Now allow me to introduce to you our panel of judges. First we have supermodel and actress Wilma Doesn't. Next we have the most sought after fashion show director Robbie Carmona. Fashion and advertising photographer Xander Angeles. And last but definitely not the least, we have one of the Philippines' best creative directors, of course from Preview magazine, Vince Uy. There are several criteria that you're going to be judged on in the next couple of weeks. First is what you came here with, your natural talent. Second is personality. Third is your potential to be a model. Fourth, your performance in the photo shoot. And last but definitely not the least is your potential to be a top model. Now it's time for individual evaluation. The judges are going to deliberate and we're going to determine who will be eliminated. Unahin natin si Jaina. Hi, Jaina. This week, you were challenged to walk the pilapil. At kailangan fierce talaga yung paglalakad nyo and with attitude. And of course, you were also judged in your photo shoot. Tingnan natin ang best photo mo. You know, you look so different from when I first saw you.
Jaina, if there's one quality na meron ka, ito yung natatransform mo yung itsura mo sa photos mo. Judging from this photo, you nailed it, girl.
Thank you. Next is Bambi. Hi, Bambi. Kumusta ka naman?
Buti po.
Okay, well, this is your best shot. Ang ganda ng pose mo. Very high fashion. Mas maganda pa sa Victoria's Secret.
Sandy, dito napatunayan mo isa ka talagang magaling na body talent. Kasi yung composure ng mga daliri mo, nainggit ako doon. Yun nga lang yung mukha mo, parang may nalunok ka.
This is a perfect example of how a model should maximize the space given sa kanya sa isang photo shoot. Excellent.
Gemma, interesado ka na malaman kung anong ginawa at anong natutunan mo sa runway scene. Anong animal ang pinortray mo?
Snake.
I wanna see kung paano ka nag-transform into a snake.
Huwag na.
Hawak kamay, mga magkakapatid.
Spray over natin si Gemma.
And go!
Diba? Sabi ko naman sa inyo, huwag na, diba?
Now, this is your best shot. Gemma, para akong nanood ng Friday the 13th. I'm so scared.
Maganda yung eye expression mo, pero hindi ito yung best angle.
Rain. This is your best shot.
Sa picture na to, kayang-kaya mo nang i-overshadow si Maureen dara sa bal. Matakot na siya sa'yo ngayon. Sa picture na to, I'm sorry, Maureen.
I like your outfit today, first and foremost. I love the boots. Ito namang photo mo, it reminds me of, alter ego. Yung mukha, it's so innocent. Pero yung pala, isa siyang serial killer.
If I were you, ayusin lang yung hair mo. I like how you used your legs. And you're actually a short girl, but you don't look short in your photo.
Sheila, here's your best shot. You've just transformed completely in this photo. Para kang nasa Moulin Rouge. You know, when I see you now, you're not very tall, but when I see this photo, you look like you're 6 feet tall.
Thank you.
What's high-end fashion or high fashion for you?
My idea is a lot of slouches and, relaxed look.
Actually, she's the only one that got that idea.
Rina? You look so taray there. Parang I'm so scared to buy the lingerie. Parang feeling ko sasampalin mo ako.
I can see the tension and everything like that. Pero yung mukha niya, ang ganda pa rin eh. What's with green? Green na naman ang makeup mo, girl.
Green, you're
Dyan,
here.
yan, today. Next time, you girls, clean face for casting. Because models are supposed to be canvases. So we need to see you raw.
Mira! I don't know, I'm kind of confused about the photo.
Alam mo, to be honest with you, after nung runway pitch, sinabi ko talaga kay Kuya Robbie, pauwiin ka na ngayon. But, after seeing the photo, maganda ka dyan, in fairness.
Ako, iba yung tingin ko sa photo. Kung editor-in-chief ako ng magazine at nakita ko to, papagalitan ko yung casting director.
Gusto mo na ba umuwi? Kasi feeling ko gusto mo na eh.
Oo nga, pauwi na natin yan.
Every time, Mira, every time I look at you, parang nahihiya ka. And you have to show us that you're willing to fight.
Oh my God.
Ano?
Why?
Maybe because yung naiiwan ko sa outside world.
Ano na?
Naiiwan ko sa labas. Naapektuhan ako sa how I do the challenge. Kasi may the night before I went to final screening ng ENTM, my lola was rushed to the ICU.
It's okay to feel that way. I mean, we're all human. All I'm saying is that you have to focus. This is a competition. You have to show us that you want it.
Come on down, Joy. I love the photo, and you've really proven in this photo that black is beautiful.
Anong meron doon sa Silvia na hinahawakan mo sa kanan? Malalaglag ba siya? Mukhang tense na tense yung pagkakakapit mo. Pero the full picture, maganda ka. Siyempre, I love you, di ba? Dahil magka-sister tayo.
Sobrang ganda. She looks really elegant here.
We have Elle. That little furry thing on your neck. Yeah.
Ano yan?
What is it?
Inatay ko po yung
It's
pusa
dead.
sa house.
Again, less is more. So if you remove it, you'll even actually look like a real model.
Alam mo, parang hindi ko nakita yung haba mo dito. Parang nagmukha kang maliit.
It's edgy, it's high fashion. You did really great.
Wang?
During the shoot, narinig ko siyang she was saying something about the whatever. Parang nagre-reklamo.
Anong nireklamo?
Complain.
Anong nireklamo nito?
Oo, mas nagre-reklamo siya. Eh,
Like what?
napaka-irritable niya and then she was not listening at all. And I hate that sa mga folks, sa mga models. So gusto ko pa naman yung mukha mo. Ang ganda ng mukha mo, ang ganda sa camera. What's the problem?
Ano po? The fishnet at saka yung pinapalit, Sarah.
In fashion, there's no such thing as comfortable. Swerte ka pa nga na butas lang yun sa stockings eh. I've had models na size 9 ang paa, pinilit isuot sa size 7. At nakatayo yun ah. Sometimes you have to do so many things in order to get the shot right.
Wang?